Now before we conclude this chapter, we must see two more peculiar ectopic beats. Here the arrow shows a ventricular ectopic beat. But if you study the normal QRS complex rhythm, it is unaltered. That is, this is an extra beat in addition to the normal sinus rhythm. Till now we saw that the sinus beat following an ectopic or premature beat is missing. But here the ventricular premature beat has occurred so early that it did not affect the AV node, which conducted the normal beat as usual. This is called as an interpolated ventricular premature beat, usually seen with bradycardia. The only effect that it has on the next beat is that the PR interval is prolonged, delaying the QRS complex slightly. Otherwise, the sinus rhythm is undisturbed. Note the prolonged PR interval in the succeeding beat. This is another interpolated ventricular premature beat. Note that the sinus rhythm is undisturbed. In a close-up view, note the prolonged PR interval of the succeeding beat. This second tracing shows a pause. The previous beat is not premature and it looks like a sinus pause. But if you observe the previous T wave carefully, it shows a dent caused by P wave. Here an atrial premature beat has occurred so early that it was not conducted by the AV node, which was still in a refractory phase. This is a non-conducted atrial premature beat. It looks exactly like sinus pause, but the last T wave shows a dent or alteration. This also means that to diagnose a sinus pause, the previous T wave contour should be normal. In this tracing, note the change in the shape of T wave due to P wave of the non-conducted atrial premature beat. Only close observation will tell that this is not a sinus pause. This ECG shows a nodal premature beat with inverted P wave, normal QRS complex followed by a compensatory pause. The compensatory pause in a nodal beat may or may not be complete. This ECG shows a ventricular premature beat with no P wave, wide QRS complex and inverted T wave. The RR interval is 18.5 small squares. The RR interval between second and fourth beats is 37 small squares. That is, the compensatory pause is complete. This is because it does not affect the SA node. This ECG shows multiple ventricular premature beats. There is a ventricular premature beat after every 2 normal sinus beats. Multiple ventricular ectopic beats, more than 5 per minute, may herald a ventricular tachycardia. The high risk is associated with multiple VPBs more than 5 per minute, multifocal ventricular premature beats, runs of ventricular premature beats, and exercise-induced ventricular premature beats. This ECG shows multiple ventricular premature beats, but some are positive and some are negative. That is, they are arising from different foci in the ventricles. They are called multifocal ventricular premature beats. Each ventricular premature beat has a different structure. Some are positive and some are negative. This ECG shows alternate normal beat and ventricular premature beat. This is called ventricular bigeminy, where every alternate beat is a ventricular premature beat. Note the ventricular bigeminy. This is the same ECG in another lead. Note alternating normal beats and ventricular premature beats. This is another ECG of ventricular bigeminy with alternating ventricular premature beats. This is a interpolated ventricular premature beat. Note that the shape and amplitude of the QRS complex is changed, so it is a ventricular beat, and succeeding beat is slightly delayed due to prolongation of the PR interval. This ECG shows one normal beat followed by two ventricular premature beats. When ventricular premature beats run in groups of twos or more, it is also a grave sign. Note the runs of ventricular premature beats. This ECG shows a pause. The preceding beat is not premature. Preceding T wave is normal. So this is a sinus pause. So now we study the succeeding beat. It has a normal QRS configuration, but the P wave is slightly smaller than other P waves. So this is an atrial escape beat. Note that the next beat again shows return of sinus rhythm as the P wave is normal again. So this is a sinus pause with an atrial escape beat.